Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to draw and color a cherry. First we choose black marker for outline. Draw the first cherry. Draw a medium sized circle on your paper. Now draw the second cherry. Now we add some curved lines. Again we draw curved lines. These are stems. Very good. Now we draw leaf. Very good. Time to color. We use red color for the cherry. Color in the one direction. Try to stay inside the lines. Color in both of your cherry circles. Very good. Now we use brown color for stem. Like this. Then we use yellow color for main stem. That's good. And the last we use palette color. Very good. And there you have it, your very own hand drawn and colored cherry. Allah Hafiz.